This jump demonstration shows how to perform association analysis, also known as market basket analysis. We're using the grocery purchases data from the sample data library. Association analysis is available in JMP Pro, and we'll use it here to identify patterns in items that co-occur in customers' purchases. Note that the data must be in list format like we see here, with one column identifying the customer or transaction and another identifying each item that occurred. We'll begin the analysis by going to Analyze, Screening, and Association Analysis. We'll place Product into the Item role and Customer ID into the ID role. Additional options are available on the bottom left. For example, minimum support specifies the minimum % of customer purchases that an item set must appear in order to be included in the analysis. We could click the Help button to learn more about support and the other options listed here, but for now, we'll stick with the defaults and click OK. By default, JMP provides a table for frequent item sets and another for association rules. The frequent item sets table is an ordered list of the most frequent sets of items purchased that also meet the minimum support that we set in the launch dialog. This table tells us, for example, that the set of crackers and soda occurred in 25% of the 1,000 purchases in our dataset. The rules table presents association rules that meet the minimum support and other settings specified in the launch dialog. These results tell us that, for example, when an individual purchases the condition of apples, corned beef, and herring, they also purchase the consequent of olives 96% of the time. This association rule has a lift of 2.041. The lift is the ratio of confidence to support and indicates how much more or less likely a customer is to purchase the consequent if they've also purchased the condition compared to the probability of just purchasing the consequent in general. So the lift of 2.041 tells us that if somebody purchases apples, corned beef, and herring, they're about twice as likely to purchase olives than they would be in general, assuming no condition. This rules table is currently sorted by confidence, but we can sort it by lift by clicking on the lift column heading.